Welcome back to my channel. This is BBFS Trading Strategy and my name is Blessing. So guys, I'm back again with another edition of strategy. As you all know, in this channel I show you guys different trading strategy, how to grow your forex account, how you can grow your small account, whether you are scalping or you are a long trader. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, please kindly click on that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, in today's video we are going to trade with Bollinger Band. We are going to trade with Bollinger Band. As you can see, my trade I entered with daily time frame. So guys, I will show you guys how I entered this trade. I have about 2 trades I entered here, guys. VIX25, I entered also V25 today. Okay, sorry guys. Jump 10, I entered jump 10 for sell. Then V25 for buy with daily time frame. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I will show you guys the indicators used for this strategy. The indicators used for these strategies. As you can see, I entered this trade yesterday, daily candle. I entered this trade with yesterday daily candle and it's still going down, guys. It's still going down. So guys, let me quickly show you guys the indicator I used here. The indicator I use here. So as you all know, here is our icon for our settings. You can also go up here. Here is also our icon for settings. So guys, I have to click here. Here is the indicators used for this strategy. Guys, I used moving average period 50. As you all can see, I use shift 0, simple method, simple apply to medium price HL/2. Then style 2 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. You go to up here, you click your done, guys. You click your done. Our second moving average there is moving average 200. That is what we use. Moving average 200, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel, any color of your choice, guys. You click your done. So guys, the next indicator used there is your Bollinger Band, guys. As you can see, we use period 20, deviation 2.000, shift 0, apply to close. Style 2 pixel, any color of your choice. I use green color, guys. You click your done. So guys, let's go back. Here is our fractal that we use to enter our trade, guys. It's default settings. You click done. Let's go to our chart, guys. Here is our chart. Here is our chart, guys. Let's do it so that we can see it well. Guys. So guys, here is our trade of yesterday. Why volatility index? I entered this trade today. This morning I entered this morning and see where I am, guys. See where I am. With daily candlestick, you can make money every day and you will leave the market as long as you follow the trend. As we can see, volatility 25 is buying. And I will show you the reason why I entered this trade. With this reason, you can make money in forex trading. Forex trading, we all know that it's not easy, but yet we still trade and we still make money. So guys, let's go back. Let's check our 15 minutes time frame to see what our 15 minutes time frame is doing. This is what our 15 minutes time frame is doing. You guys are seeing it. Sorry, because of the phone, I'm using my phone to do it. No light. So guys, as you can see where I entered my trade, and it's also buying in our 15 minute time frame. But I entered this trade with daily time frame. So guys, the reason I entered this trade is because our Bollinger Band and our moving average, all the candlestick is above. All the candlestick is above, and the condition of this trade before you enter a trade in this daily time frame, because you cannot just come and enter because it's buying. You will lose because this is daily time frame. This is daily time frame. I make sure I check my daily time frame and also check 15 minutes time frame to make sure that they are selling. If 15 minute time frame is buying, I mean, if 15 minutes time frame is selling, I will not buy. I'll wait for that 15-minute time frame to sell, to buy before I will buy. I will buy even though my daily time frame is showing uptrend. I will still wait for that 15 minutes to also show me the uptrend. As you can see, 15-minute time frame also show the uptrend. So I will now look for opportunity where I will enter for a buy. So guys, see, as you can all see this candlestick. You see the candlestick of yesterday? It appears green. And when it appears green, it hasn't touched the upper Bollinger Band yet. It did not touch, so it will not pull back. Since it did not touch, it will not pull back. It will still go up the next day. It will still go up the next day. Do you see this candlestick here? This candlestick is touching the upper Bollinger Band. So when this candlestick, when it ends, the next day, I will not enter this trade, guys. That is just it for me. I don't know for others. I will not enter the trade because it might pull back, and this is daily time frame. Anything can happen. So I will make sure that it's not touching the upper Bollinger Band, and it's also buying. It's also buying. If it shows red, no, I will not enter. I entered because I saw this candlestick, guys. I saw this candlestick here. That is why I entered this trade this morning. And see where I am now. See where I am, guys. Just for instance, here is also buying. And as you can see, oh, here none of them has touched the upper Bollinger Band. And it's still going. When it reaches the upper Bollinger Band, it has to come down a little bit before it started going. But I will not enter any trade around this place, guys. I will not enter it. I rather enter my trade here, guys. As you can see now, I will enter here because it didn't touch. The buying continues. The buying continues. I will always take daily candlestick and I will be out and watch what the candlestick will give me. Guys, I wish I entered this trade here. You see this candlestick, you are not going to miss this candlestick. If you have enough money, if you have enough dollar in your account, guys, you can enter the trade and make money. As you can all see, this Wednesday, it has to pull back. Even though it pull back, it still go up because he have not touched our upper Bollinger Band yet. So the buy continues until it gets to this place, guys. Then the buy will stop. So the reason why I enter this trade here now, as you all can see, is because of this candlestick that I saw here. So the buying strength is still there. So that's why I entered and see where I am. I can leave this trade till 3 days before I will leave. Until it touch this upper Bollinger Band, I am not leaving now. So guys, let's go and check our jump. Here is jump. Here is jump, guys. I entered the trade yesterday here. This is the place I entered this trade, guys. The reason why I entered this trade is because of this candlestick that you saw here, guys. As you all saw this daily time, this daily candlestick here, it hasn't touched the down Bollinger Band yet. So, guys, the sell will continue because it's strong, guys. It's strong. As you all can see, it sells yesterday to here. It has to go back and close. It has to go back and close. Then it came down again. It came down again. This is today candle and this is yesterday candle, guys. I enter with daily candle and I make sure that the 15-minute time frame is also doing the same thing, guys. Let me do it well so that you can see it. Let me do it well. As you all see, the 15-minute time frame is also doing the same thing. It's also selling. Can you see the indicators? All of them is going down. So that's why I enter this trade. I enter from here and here. And it's still coming down. You see the up and down and it's still coming down, guys. It's still coming down because in our daily time frame is selling. In our daily time frame is selling in our daily time frame, guys. That's why I entered this trade. So I am leaving this trade today and I will take my little profit and I will leave the market. It's simple as that, guys. It's simple as that. Trade with the trend, you will not lose. But when you trade against the trend, guys, you will lose. You will lose. As you all see, 15 minutes, it started selling. It started selling and it keep on selling. Are you seeing it? It keep on selling. So, guys, I am leaving this trade any moment from now. Any moment from now. But I have told you guys the reason I trade with upper and lower Bollinger Band in our daily time frame. Upper here is for buy, while here is for sell. As long as it's not touching it. Here is where I entered my trade. It's not touching yet. It shows it will still come down more. That's why I entered the trade. As you can see, the jump is, I just capped it because anything can happen in this jump. So I just capped from here because all the candlestick is below. That's why I entered. All the candlestick is below. That's why I entered. So guys, in case if you find this video interesting, guys, if you find this video interesting and you also pick something from this video, guys, I don't know. This trade now, I am going to hold. Guys, until it touches the upper Bollinger Band. In this one, I'm going to hold. I will not be afraid of holding, guys. I will not be afraid of holding because our V25 is buying. So I will not be afraid of holding. So guys, in case if you find this strategy interesting and you know you have not subscribed yet to my channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and also share it to your loved ones so that everyone can benefit from this strategy. So guys, see you guys on my next video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Thank you. I appreciate so much. I do not take that for granted. Thank you guys. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.